Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to change Outlook password. So let's get started. Firstly, open your web browser and go to the outlook.com and enter your email address and sign into your Outlook account. Once signed in, click on your profile picture or initials at the top right corner of the Outlook page. And once you click on it, from the drop-down menu, select View Account or Account Settings. Now it will navigate to your security settings. Now look for the options to change your password. It is labeled as change password option or update password option available there. Now you'll have to enter your previous password, then enter your new password, and after entering a new password, click on the save or change password button to confirm the change. Once your password change is successful, you should receive a confirmation message. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.